Those of us who are fortunate enough to know how to play guitar are well familiar with the wah-wah effect. A guitarist presses a special pedal and the sound that was linear before gets stretched out and becomes similar to croaking. This effect was popularized by Jimmy Hendrix, who used the wah-wah as his proprietary sound. This trick is nowadays used by a great number of performers. The name of this effect is explained by its sound. When a pedal is pressed, the guitar produces a sound very similar to the syllable wah. As for the circuit engineering, the wah-wah is a simple bandpass filter, enabling one to control the gain frequency characteristic to stress a specific section of the acoustic signal spectrum. In other words, when a wah pedal is pressed and let go, the gain frequency characteristic moves to one side or another. In analogous pedals, the effect is implemented by a simple division of frequency, but since the guitar spectrum is known to have a rather complex form, the shift in the signal frequency is quite conditional, and the sound is altered for the most part as a result of additional overtones. The wah-wah, or timbre, vibrato is another popular guitar effect. It can be successfully used in both solo parts and creation of ostinato, rhythmical figures. There exist two types of the effect, wah pedal and autowah. The former is controlled with a pedal, which lets musicians alter their sound concyclically, and the latter simply changes the frequency depending on the level of the input signal or based on the preset rhythm. The essence of the autowah effect is that the circuit reacts to the attack initial phase of the guitar signal, which actuates the generator that imitates pedal movements. Thus, the guitarist is relieved of the duty to constantly press the pedal. Although such automatic device can hardly replace the real effect, it could come in rather handy, for example, in the accompaniment play. One should also keep in mind that wah-wah is the general name of the effect, whereby the resonance frequency changes with the help of a pedal. But there exist plenty of subtypes. CryBaby, Morley Classic are specific implementations of the effect by different companies. Even if we consider a certain variation, like CryBaby, it still has several categories: Hendrix sound or Zakk Wylde sound. The operation principle here is the same, but the sound is somewhat different due to different filter settings.